Intellectual Property Cases on Cheetah from the Copyright Law Reporter, CCH, and the Trademark Law Guide, CCH, for the Intellectual Property Research course at Boston College Law School. Cheetah is a platform for Wolters Kluwer publications, including those from former loose leaf publishing house CCH Incorporated. At BC we have on-campus access to Cheetah, but to use it at home and to have full functionality you should create a personal user ID and log in when you use Cheetah. Many firms will subscribe to a few practice areas, but here at the law school we have access to a lot of content, including several titles in intellectual property. In the intellectual property practice area, there are two topical services designed for providing access to IP cases: the Copyright Law Reporter and the Trademark Law Guide. Let's take a closer look at the Copyright Law Reporter. CCH explanations set out principles of copyright law, providing references to case annotations that illustrate that point of law. CCH references are to paragraph number, not page number, both in the loose leaf and online formats. Here we see paragraph 675 is the publisher's explanation of ideas, principles, concepts, and plots as works that are not copyrightable. Following the explanations are annotations by topic. Paragraph 675.30 includes annotations to cases where ideas for games are not copyrightable. These cases were originally published in the Copyright Law Reporter, but then move into the historical volumes of copyright law decisions. Case citations, like all documents in CCH publications, are referenced by paragraph numbers. Let's link to the first case listed here by clicking on the paragraph number. You can change the window on the left from a table of contents to an information window that gives some summary information about the document you are viewing. In this instance, the case reported at Copyright Law Reporter, paragraph 25.412. In the case itself, we can scroll down to the CCH headnotes, where we can find the same text that appeared as an annotation in the CCH explanation. The back reference link takes the reader back to the paragraph in the CC explanation that explains the point of law this annotation illustrated, no matter how you located this case. Scrolling a little further, we see the actual text of the decision. You can also access case law using the search box at the top, or run a more advanced search by selecting Refine Search Scope. This allows you to perform a field search in the Copyright Law Reporter database, choosing a particular document type, court, jurisdiction, issuing body, or date.